Are you going to pretend to fall off? Oh, look at this. This is fantastic.
No, I'm not.
Is it Utah or Arizona, this? Morning.
Morning.
It's Saturday. We've just been to try and find a movie set down a buggy road, and we can't find it. This is the kind of road, and look at the light. Look at the scratches on the car. Oh no, it's just